In this video, you're going to learn how to upload your YouTube videos, leveraging on SEO and some SEO tools. So usually, we recommend using vidIQ and Tubebuddy. You could also leverage the YouTube analytics. Then you visit the research page. To get started, you visit youtube.com. Then you click on the upload button at the top right corner. So this is going to take us to where we're going to select our file to upload. So you're going to click on select files. Then you select a video on your desktop. Okay, then upload begins. So that is your title, how to navigate Facebook account quality. Yeah, so that is our title for this video. Then you're gonna scroll down and input your description. It's very, very important. Usually you could take out time to work on your description before you begin your upload. You could also install Grammarly on your laptop or on your browser. So you could get this extension on their website by signing up for Grammarly. Also, it's very important that the title of your video appears in your description. So this is part of the SEO rule, whereby the title you use for your video should appear in your description. So you could construct a sentence or you just highlight it somewhere in your description. So this is very, very important for SEO. Then you could also include hashtags on the description. The next part is to select a playlist. So we do have some playlists. So we're going to add this in Gright Community and Facebook Business Manager and Advertising. So this is the playlist we want to add this video under. Then we're going to let YouTube know that this video is not made for kids. So if your video is not targeted toward kids, it's good you let YouTube know so that you could get appropriate viewers for your content. All right. Then we're going to move down to uploading our thumbnail. So we've not done that. So let's go upward. So you're going to see where we can upload our thumbnail. So you could design your thumbnail on Canva or you get a graphic designer that could help you with your video. So I'm going to upload the thumbnail I designed on Canva. So this is it, how to navigate Facebook account quality. Yeah, so that's all. So we scroll down again. Then this is tags. So this is where a lot of the SEO work is. So I'm going to copy the title of my video and I'm going to use exactly that as one of my tags. So this is very, very important. Now I'm going to show you how to use other tools. So let's say you must have installed the vidIQ, you've created your account and also installed the extension and also for Tubebuddy. After clicking on the menu button at vidIQ, we're going to do a keyword research. It's called Keyword Inspector for vidIQ. Why for Tubebuddy? You're going to click on the menu button and okay, we're going to come back to this. Let's do for the vidIQ. So we click on the Keyword Inspector. So you could input your title, then you click on search. You're going to have other recommendations you could use for your video. So these are some recommendations you could use for your YouTube tags. So let's visit Tubebuddy. So you're going to click on Keyword Explorer to visit its own keyword research. Then you could also input your title and click on Explore. It's going to give you some recommendation. You could find some recommendation at the right-hand side. It's also going to give you analytics about your score, the search volume, and some quite interesting details about the title you want to use for your video. All right, so we're going to copy some of this in our tags later. So let's go back to our video. All right, so I'm going to highlight more tags. So you could also scroll down since the vidIQ is already installed. They've given us some recommendation. So you could select the ones that closely match. So I'm going to go down again and you're going to see it there. So I'm going to choose Facebook ads because it's kind of similar. Then if you're very confident about your knowledge about your topic, for example, you're an expert, you could also use words or use phrases or sentences that people would most likely search so that your video could appear. That is the whole concept of SEO, using whenever someone search for a related keyword or term or sentence, your video should pop up as it provides relevant information about that topic. So you could also, okay, so I'm going to input account quality in this, okay, on Facebook. Okay, account quality on Facebook. So this is perfect. You could also take advantage of the Tubebuddy recommendation. So Tubebuddy usually recommends similar keywords as you input on in the tags. So I've selected the three of them because they're quite interesting and fit into what I'm looking for. So I'm going to input a link where you could open your account on Tubebuddy and also on vidIQ. So you're just going to follow the on-screen instruction, sign in your YouTube account inside of your vidIQ account or your Tubebuddy. Then you also need to install the extension. So it's very, very important. So I'm adding more tags and recommended from Tubebuddy. All right. You could also upgrade to their pro version. So this is actually the free plan I use. So I'm going to come back to the Keyword Explorer, the tab we opened. So I'm going to copy some interesting keywords or topics here to add in my YouTube video tags. So don't forget the tag is the major area where you do lots of the SEO work. Next is your title. Select a good title and also add your title in your description. Okay. In another video, we're going to show you how to take advantage of the YouTube research. Yeah, so the YouTube analytics, then you visit the research page. So you could get inspiration on the perfect title to use. So we're going to cover that in another video. So do well to like and subscribe and to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content to help you out with your YouTube journey. Okay. So the maximum number of words we could use is 500. Okay, so we're still at 370 something. Okay, so we're at 417 now. Okay, so you could decide to add up more keywords or get some inspiration. So this is the importance of leveraging on these YouTube tools I talked about, the SEO tools I talked about. Yeah, so you take your time. So it's quite a lot of process. So you could see how uploading YouTube videos could take time and you're going to spend quality time selecting the best. So I'm going to switch back to vidIQ to see what I can find that is very interesting. Okay. Yeah, so usually if you upgrade to the pro plan, you're going to have more interesting recommendations. Okay, so I'm done with that. So I go back to my upload tab. So I'm going to write account restricted because usually on Facebook, whenever your account is restricted, you resolve the problem in accounts quality. Currently, it's called Business Support Home. We're also going to upload a new video about this. Okay, so now because I'm an expert in this field, I do understand the major keywords people use to find help. So this is why I can confidently use the keywords in mind to help improve my video visibility on YouTube and also on Google search. All right, so we could stop there, or you could also decide to add more. We still have a few names, so I'm going to add Facebook. Okay, FB. Okay, an FB account. Okay, that's much, so I'll have to remove one. Okay, so you're going to select your category for this. This is a how-to video, so I'm going to leave that. Then you could also tweak the rest. Then you click on next. So now you could decide to add an end screen video or a card. I'm going to prefer adding a card for this video instead. So you could decide to add your playlist to recommend people to visit your playlist or a specific video here. So I'm going to select a video for this. So I'm going to select how to recover a disabled ad account on Facebook. Okay, so I'm going to shift it towards the end of the video. That's when I want the card to appear. Then I click on save. So you could also add an end screen video, and the subscribe button is optional. But for this video, I don't want to add it. Then you click on next. So my check is okay. YouTube found my video to be good. So it complied to all policies. Then you click on public as I did there. Then you scroll down and publish your video. So don't forget, always select public before you publish so that you don't put your video in schedule. You could also in private. So you could also schedule your video if you want. Then you click on publish. Then another rule or another recommendation is that you should try to watch your YouTube video once you finish uploading it. So try to watch it from the starting to the end, then you give it a like. Then you could also share your videos to other channels. So you could share on Pinterest, on Facebook, and etc. So I'm gonna watch my video to the end. So while I'm letting it load up, I'm going to go to Pinterest and upload my video there. So this is very interesting. I'm saving it in the Great Pinterest account where we usually upload how-to content. So this is it. So this video is available on Pinterest. So once you see the thumbnail, you click on our post, it will take you to YouTube. So this is how we could get more views or more visitors from Pinterest to our YouTube channel. Okay. So this is the video. So you could see quite interesting analytics. So you're finding all these analytics because vidIQ and Tubebuddy is installed. So I'm going to like the video now. So I've given my video the first like and the first view. So if you scroll down, you're going to see your keyword scores. So you're going to see how you're ranking with those keywords you used. So this is very interesting. So this is very, very interesting. So you could find, all right. So these are the keywords I use, and this is how my video is ranking. For some, I'm ranking number 3, some 1, some 5, some 11. So that's it. As your channel grows, you're going to rank higher for certain strong keywords. So for YouTube, you have to be very, very consistent in order to be successful. Okay, guys, do well to like and subscribe to our channel. I have another interesting video to upload later. So let me give you a hint. I'm going to show you what I did to get a video with over 500,000 views. So do well to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss this update. All right, guys, bye and see you later.